I join members in paying tribute to the commitment and tenacity of survivors throughout this long process, some of whom are in the public gallery this afternoon. The Cabinet Secretary said that she hopes that survivors will use the opportunity to testify to the inquiry and tell of their experiences. She will be aware that a number of survivors will need financial, practical and legal support to do this. Can I therefore ask the Cabinet Secretary if survivors, as part of the Survivor Support Fund, will be offered legal aid and financial support, including expenses, in order to allow them to participate fully in the inquiry?
Cabinet Secretary.
Let me reassure Mr Bibby that in terms of the issues in and around legal aid, that all the usual processes apply, and that those processes that apply to everybody will also apply to survivors seeking assistance. What I try to do in the lead up to establishing this inquiry is to be as flexible as possible, and when survivors have approached the government in terms of needing support, for example, to participate in the consultation process, we have showed willing and responded positively to requests in a pragmatic manner. In terms of how survivors are supported pragmatically to participate in the inquiry, that is obviously a matter for the chair of the inquiry and for the inquiry itself. But if I can reassure the member that we are acutely aware of the needs of survivor, and that we need to have a very supportive process.